Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn to Educate. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mentimeter to make your teaching more interactive, engaging and aligned with international standards. Do your students sometimes lose focus during classes? Or do you feel like only few students are participating while others are staying quiet? Don't worry, today I'll show you a simple trick to make every student involved in your class. Mentimeter is an online interactive presentation tool that allows you to create live polls, quizzes, word clouds, questions, and many more, where students can respond in real time. The best part is, students can join using their phones or laptop, and you can instantly use their responses on your screen. You can use Mentimeter to increase student participation, make lessons more engaging, get instant feedback, make learning fun and interactive. This is especially useful for both classroom teaching and online sessions also. So let's start with practical part. First of all, you have to open your browser. You have to type mentimeter.com. Once you will type it, you will come to its home page where you have to log in through your Gmail account. Once you will log in, you will come to this dashboard. Now here many options are available. You can see the main features that are these options that we are going to discuss while making our presentation also. So let me go here, new Menti, that means new presentation. Here, before starting with it, let me introduce you this also. You can create your presentation using AI over here. So if you want to use AI, you can use it. If you want to import through your document, like you have already prepared any PPT or PDF is there, you can use that also. I am showing you how to make it from scratch. So once you will click on New Menti, you will come to this page where you can make from scratch. Yeah. So first, I will be making it through scratch. Once you will do it, you can see here on your first slide what you want to select: multiple choice question, word cloud, open-ended question, scales, ranking, question answers, guess the numbers, points, grid, form, image, specially used for social science teachers. Then you have quiz section also. Content slides are also available for teaching purpose. You can use this, or you can integrate it with other apps also. First, we will start with, suppose I'm starting with my heading. So I'm giving here free text. That is, I will be writing my topic here. Suppose my topic is computer introduction. This is my first slide. Now, if I wanted to create second slide as diagnostic test, I will be using word cloud here. In word cloud, you can just put a question and student will be giving answer in the form of words, and that will be shown here in the form of word cloud. Suppose, what do you know about computers is my question. So you can see this kind of word cloud you can see here. After this, you can add learning objective, then you can add your extended teaching, then you can add cross curricular link. Apart from this, you can add hot question, then UAE connection, many slides you can add. After that, once it is done, you can change the theme also, whatever you want here. Now after that, if you want, you can see a preview before presenting it. So if you'll see the preview, you can see how it will look on your screen and how it will look on participant screen. So that option is also available in Mentimeter. Once done, you will press on start presentation and this will be shown there. Student can directly participate scanning the QR code, or they can go to menti.com and enter this code. Student need not have to log in for participating in this. Once done, then you can go back. Here your workspace presentation will be there. Your shared templates will be there. Your presentations you can see here. You have created from the time you are using that. This is all about Mentimeter. I can give you some useful tips like how you can use Mentimeter in a better way, but before that, I wanted to give you one practical point. Mentimeter allows only 50 participants per month in free version, so it is not common to use daily, but you can use it for most classroom activities, small group sessions or demonstration. This is still very useful and more than enough for us being a teacher. I can suggest you one small tip. During observations, you can use it in a very proper manner. Here are some useful tips. Start your class with a poll to grab attention. Use word cloud for prior knowledge. Use quizzes for assessment. Use responses to guide your teaching instantly. So this is how you can use Mentimeter along with proper lesson planning to make your teaching more interactive and effective. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn to Educate. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.